Brand new modern house dito sa may South Peak Subdivision, San Pedro, Laguna. Pasukin natin to. Let's go! May lot area na 450 square meters, kaya meron kang malaking garden. Floor area nasa 485 square meters. This is your door. And welcome to your living area na may double height ceiling. Open layout. Fully air conditioned dito. Ito yung iyong floor mounted AC. And then another door. Kasi dalawa yung entrance niya. Tapos ang ganda ng kanyang dining area. Also the kitchen. Meron ka na ritong pwedeng gawing breakfast, no? Kompleto rin ng mga kitchen appliances. Tapos meron pa tong daily kitchen at may total of 5 bedrooms. Ayun yung unang bedroom. Panoorin mo na lang yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines. Bye!